Hello everyone, and this video is to teach you how is the unboxing of the WANHAO new version GODSO Revolution 1. Okay, when you got the package, you can find the serial number on the packing box, and you need to prepare a knife and then cut the slabs. Okay, and to open the box, it is easy step. Okay, in the top you can find the FEP film. It is a gift. Okay, open the cover and you will find a toolbox in the middle of the machine. And inside this toolbox you can find lots of spare parts and lots of spare tools. You can keep this foam and to protect. Okay, you can see this is the building tab. This is the knives. This is the plug, the knobs, the cuffs, and the disc, and a small toolbox for hex wrench. Okay, this is the unboxing video, and one more thing, and turn the back of the machine. You can find the serial number and the WANHAO GR1 workshop. You can use this license for the workshop. Thanks for your watching.